How to design an animated character.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone. Everyone.
So how can you create such type of videos? So just go to the home page. In app section, find out Krike app. Yes, Krike AI Animate. Okay, now this will ask you if you want to use it in existing or a new design. So I'm going to click it. Okay, now we are designing an Instagram post. You can choose any one of the avatars. Okay, she looks right. So now I'm going to choose the action. Let's make it a hip hop dance. Okay. Now you can write the sentence what you want them to say. I'm keeping it hello everyone for right now and selecting Stephen and generating. Okay. This is how our character looks like.
Hello,
Okay,
everyone.
this is a girl.
Hello, everyone. Hello, everyone.
I'm going to change the voice to Sally, and also I'm going to change what it is saying to just increase the length of the video. Hi, I'm Sally. Pleased to meet you. I'm performing hip hop dance.
Hello, everyone. I Sai. Pleased to meet you. I am performing hip hop dance.
So this is how we create animated characters video using Canva. If you like the video, please hit the like button.